Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Honeygain. First, go to the Honeygain website on your browser. Now, click on Sign Up from the top right corner of the page. Then, click on Google to continue with your Google account. Choose your private account, then click Continue to complete the sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see your current balance, which shows how much you've earned so far by sharing your internet. Next, click on Statistics from the menu on the left. Here, you can view details like how much data you've shared, your daily earnings, and your monthly performance. Then, go to the transaction history to see all your previous payouts and any bonuses you've received. Now, click on the Referrals tab. Here, you'll find your referral link. When someone signs up using your link, they get a $3 bonus, and once they cash out for the first time, you earn $5. Then, click on the Achievements section. Here, you'll find different bonus rewards for reaching milestones like sharing a certain amount of data or referring multiple users. That's how you can use Honeygain to make passive income by simply sharing your unused internet. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.